just an average man, and I've lived an average life, with a demon on my left hand and St. Peter on my right. I've said a lot of things I shouldn't have, and I've done things I regret. Yeah, the devil's right behind me, but he hasn't got me yet. I can't proclaim to be a champion of my faith, but I plan to take it with me until they put me in my grave. Till then I'll pray the Lord has mercy on a soul that's been misplaced from time to time. I'm just an average man, and I work to earn my wage, and the lines drawn on my face are an indication of my age. I've had my share of scuffles trying to prove that I was right, and I've had my ass kicked more than once when I chose the losing fight. And I can't proclaim to be a champion of my faith, but I plan to keep it with me till they put me in my grave. Until then I'll pray the Lord has mercy when a soul has been disgraced from time to time. And we can run, we can hide, we can fall 100 times and 100 times revive, if the only thing we know for sure is no one gets out of this place alive. I'm just an average man, and you've seen me on the street, in the people that you talk to and in the people that you meet. And if I had to do it all again, well, I guess some things I'd change, but I wouldn't change the outcome, and I wouldn't change my name. I can't proclaim to be a champion of my faith, but I plan to keep it with me until they put me in my grave. Until then I'll pray the Lord has mercy on a soul that's been misplaced from time to time, like mine, from time to time, time to time. God help the world, their promises made with politician lies, and they fill your mind with their alibis while we fight the wars. Well, my father fought and he died a young man.
tell me you don't love me. Well, I think I'd rather die right here and now. And if you ever tell me you don't want me, well, you're the only thing that I could not live without. So come on, baby, you drive me crazy. Can't we just keep walking along? Now when I hold you, I hear angels sing the praise of glory all their own. And if I ever were to lose